Hello guys, for in this video we will see how to install Winget on Windows. It is a built-in package manager for Windows. It allows you to easily search, install, update and remove applications all from the command line. So first we will see how to install the Winget. So go head out to the browser and type winget-cli. So head out to the GitHub official repository of winget-cli. So here in the release section, click on the Windows Package Manager. So scroll down, you can see Microsoft.desktop app installer. So download that MSIX bundle. So once it is done, open and install the bundle. Already have installed in my system. Now once the installation is done, we can use this Winget package manager to install any softwares in our Windows machine. Let's see some examples. So first is we will install Winget install Notepad++. We'll be installing Notepad++ software through Windows Package Manager. So open the Windows PowerShell in the administration mode. So type Winget install Notepad++. Successfully I have installed the Notepad++ using this Winget. So here you can see Notepad++ is installed on my Windows machine. So next I can use this Winget to search any package name, whether that package is the software is existed in the package manager or not. So for that you need to type Winget search package name. So in my case I'm searching for MySQL. There are a lot of versions of MySQL in this Windows package manager. So you can choose one install based on your requirement. And if you want to see the application details, any package related description, version or publisher, any additional details, you can type Winget show that package name. You can see this is our original Git for Windows. Now next command is Winget list. It will list all the applications that are currently installed through the Winget. This will show you the application name and those details. So these all are the packages that I have installed in my Windows machine. So next, how to uninstall any application. For that you need to type Winget uninstall and the package name. So I'll be uninstalling the Notepad++. So here you can see there are multiple installed packages found matching input criteria. Please refine the input. So in my case, I need to uninstall Notepad++.Notepad++. So successfully I have uninstalled the Notepad++. Now check it in our system whether it is uninstalled or not. That's it. Thank you.